Namaste everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the house tour. I hope you recognized me because I'm wearing this traditional attire that I'm supposed to wear here, which I will be sharing with you soon if you want to know more about it. So this is from where you come, and this is the entrance towards the house, and on your right side the thing that you'll see here is the cow shed. We have the cows here. Kitties! Dolly! Cutie! So we have 2 cows and this is their shed. And there are apple orchards. Obviously I'll give you a tour of the apple orchards sometime soon, exclusive, because now there will be season of plucking the apples. As you can see, I hope you can see the apples. Now let's go down. Let me give you the house tour. So if you look at the stairs, these stairs have been made from the stone that used to be once the roof of this house. So earlier people used to have stone roofs, and now that same stone, instead of discarding it, the stairs have been made. So before I show you the inner house tour and all, let's just have a quick look at the lawn that we have here. As you can see, it's a quite big one. There are so many flowers on the side. Lawn. The water, some free flowing water that you have here. And then from here you can see the house, and the lawn extends to the other side here. And let me oh, I'm tired of looking. Let me show you down the hills. Look at that. All of these are apple trees, and the jungle out there. Can you see that? So this is the main area from where we will come to the hall area and the kitchen area. So here you can see all of this flooring is. So this is the main door here. There are actually 2 doors on that side, which I'll share with you eventually, but this is the main door. And when you enter here, you will be first entering the hall or the drawing area or the living room basically. So this is how you enter here. We have the sofas on the side, green and yellow mustard curtains. If you look at the ceiling, it is all made up of wood. Wooden work is there. I hope I'm doing justice by showing you how it looks like. Actually, the flooring of the kitchen is like this. These are the tiles for the kitchen. One, because it was made later, so we have put this kind of carpet over it, the woolen carpet, to make it a little warm and cozy. Then this is the big window that you see here with the curtains from where we can see outside.